Hey guys, in this part we talk about head tag in HTML. The head element is a container for metadata and is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. HTML metadata is data about the HTML document and metadata is not displayed. Metadata typically define the document title, character set, style, scripts, and other meta information. The HTML title element. The title element defines the title of the document. The title must be text only and it is shown in the browser's title bar or in the page tab. The title element is required in HTML documents. The contents of a page title is very important for search engine optimization or SEO. The page title is used by search engine algorithms to decide the order when listing pages in search results. So I create a document, I create title to page 1 and Ctrl S, Ctrl R. We have page 1. The style element. The style element is used to define style information for a single HTML page. For example, I create a style tag and set background to the body aqua and to h1 color is red and p tags are blue. Color is blue. And so I create h1 hello and p tag HTML page. Ctrl S and Ctrl R. The hello is red, HTML page is blue, and the body is aqua. The HTML link element. The link element defines the relationship between the current document and an external resource. The link tag is most often used to link to external style sheets. So I create a link tag for show the syntax, and rel is for CSS is a style sheet, and href my style.css. The HTML meta element. The meta element is typically used to specify the character set, page description, keywords, author, and of the document, and viewport settings. The metadata will not be displayed on the page, but are used by browsers, by search engines, and other web services. So, this meta tag define the character set used, and the keywords meta tag define keywords for search engines, and description define the description of your web page, and author define the author of a page. And we have another meta tag. Create a meta and use http equip refresh and content is 3. This meta tag refresh document every 3 seconds. So Ctrl S and Ctrl R. Oh yeah, see, the page is refreshed. And setting the viewport. The viewport is the user's visible area of a web page. It varies with the device. It will be smaller on a mobile phone than on a computer screen. You should include the following meta element in all your web pages. This gives the browser instructions on how to control the page dimensions and scaling. The width equal to device width part sets the width of the page to follow the screen width of the device, and initial scale equal to 1 is initial zoom level when the page is first loaded by the browser.